Good evening. I am very pleased to demonstrate a Qwistle, that's Qwistle, from Lindinstruments, designed by Donald WG Lindsay, who is a Scottish piper and musician. This is that instrument. Donald sent me one recently. You can see it's marked on the side. This is a 3D printed head joint. And in the 10 years since he began this project, he's really put some refinement into this standard head joint compared to the Qwistle I have here from 2014, which I received as part of in return for a contribution to his Kickstarter program. While they look very similar, you might be able to see that the blade on the aluminum one, which is the standard one now, is different. It's a sharper incline, and there's a step right before the end of the windway here. If I can point to that little line, this is actually a little, that creates a little turbidity. Inside the new Qwistle, there's a resonant chamber. It's quite deliberately produced this way. Instead of having a wall at the entrance to the chamber, there's a bit of a resonance chamber built in, where this original one has a straight wall. So let me play this Qwistle for you, and then I will demonstrate the old one with its strengths and its failures. This one is, because it has the narrower windway, I think that helps to keep it in tune octave to octave. So playing this little single jig. So, really like that sound. The old one had a lovely strong bottom octave. You can hear more upper partials there. But when I get into the second octave, it gets a little bit harsh, and the phrases are quite short. If I'm playing a high G, about 5 seconds on the prototype. With the current one, and I could go farther. So big difference in the resistance and the windway, which really translates to a much more enjoyable playing experience. So check it out. 165 pounds sterling, 159 pounds sterling, I think, is the price on the aluminum-bodied current Qwistle. You can find it on Lindinstruments, and the ABS body, which is the same as this one. Body-wise, it would have the new head joint, but body-wise, I think that's 95 pounds. Both of them are tunable on the body. You can twist the head joint on the body to tune it. So let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks.